Hey guys, welcome back to Shanahan Clan, and today we're going to be making these pre-cooked meals. And let's go.
There's scrambled eggs and dark chocolate cheese mix.
Why are you making these?
Wow.
What am I supposed to say?
Getting ready for the apocalypse.
Getting ready for the apocalypse.
Apocalypse.
Patata.
Okay.
And you're hungry, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Ready.
So wait, what are the flavors again? Go over them.
So there's scrambled eggs and dark chocolate cheesecake mix.
Okay, go.
So I think there's like something in them that we have to take out first, so let's open it up. Open that. Ooh, this smells so good.
You can start on yours too, Jacob.
Ah,
So what does yours say to do, Jacob?
there's bags in here.
Yeah, there's
Okay, so there's like,
something came out.
oh yeah. Chocolate crumbs.
Ew.
Chocolate.
And some little orange rocks. Yellow rocks.
Am I gonna be eating? Okay,
Oh, that's so nice.
Wait, show it again.
and then I have cookie crumble.
Hold it down a little bit. You
Or
can't see.
chocolate.
Yeah, down,
Chocolate.
down. Down a little bit, like that.
And an oxygen
okay.
bag. Oxygen bag. It's just powder. Okay, anyway. First thing, okay, so I already took out the bags.
I have no extra bag.
And add 2/3 cups of
Oh,
cold water. So I have cold water right.
Wait, dump all of it in there. Dump it all in the bowl.
That's 2/3.
No, you have to measure it.
Okay.
So you need 2 of the
Let's
ones.
move this out of the way. Okay, so 2
Okay,
of
so
these.
I already got the water in there, and I have to stir it on. I already have to stir it. Wait, do I have to put it in there?
Yeah, otherwise you're just gonna be
A little bit
stirring
of
the water.
extra. Okay.
Carefully.
Okay. Alright, so I got the water, the cold water in there.
Wait, do I put this in? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you have to, because it says you have to add this in here, but
Yeah, so we're not doing
we're
that.
doing
So
that.
just do it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna
Oh,
pour
yeah,
this
okay.
thing in here.
Egg.
Ew!
Egg.
They look like
Egg.
oh, there's a bacon.
It doesn't smell bad, kind of.
This smells super bad.
Oh, this smells like those Lunchables.
This one smells weird. Oh,
You have to stir it.
it does smell like a Lunchable.
You just have to stir it carefully.
I don't even think
I'm just gonna stir it carefully.
I like my eggs extra chunky, boy, so don't make them smashed up.
It won't even mix. It's just sitting at the top. But that's how. I'm scared I'm gonna spill it.
Yeah, you should have added the stuffing first
What?
on hers, but it's fine.
Oh, yeah, true.
True.
I'm scared.
And yours had to be boiled, right, boy?
Yeah.
The water.
Mine just had to be.
Yeah.
Oh, it's mixing.
Oh,
Getting it.
Careful.
I'm scared too.
But what is yours supposed to
I
be?
can't tell if it's good or
dark,
bad.
dark chocolate cheesecake mix.
How? Yeah,
Like it
stir it up.
smells
Her
weird.
smells so good.
Like it smells like chocolate, but then it just smells weird at the end. Yes, it does.
Yeah, it's not the end yet.
Okay, well, I don't know.
You know what I'm saying.
You know the thing.
I'm excited.
Hey, don't smash up my scrambled blocks, boy.
My blocks.
He's trying to put them in the little bits.
Where'd the bacon go?
Somewhere in
Completely disintegrated.
How long do I have to mix it?
I don't know. Yeah, let's.
Oh.
So
So
we're
you
gonna
only have
taste
one
them
minute.
both to see how they taste. So yeah. Just mixing mine up right now.
How long do we have to wait on yours?
10 minutes. Yeah, I wouldn't try this either, but for the video. Okay, I think that's so well.
Slop.
Slop.
Those eggs are looking extra blocky.
I love blocky eggs. It's so good.
Literally so good.
Literally.
All right, it's ready yet, boy?
Smell just like this. No. One more minute.
And then what do we got to do after that?
Stir it for.
Just stir it, and then we let it sit for how long?
4 minutes.
That's fine.
What is it?
Okay, so I let this stand for another 4 minutes, and now we have to drain it.
Show the camera, like hold it up.
Okay, here it is.
Okay, now we're gonna drain it.
Yeah. I'm scared.
So excited.
Definitely should have made it back.
Whoa.
I want the sponginess of it. It's like a weird texture. Let's try the bacon now. It's crunchy. It's really surprising. It's good.
I put
It's
too
like
much salt. I put too much salt.
I don't think you put too much salt in it.
Yeah, it's kind of like, it's not that flavorful. But
Yeah.
Yes, it is. I put so much salt. It is.
I think there's some more salt.
I don't know how you're eating
Oh,
it.
is it?
Try mine. It's the most saltiest thing. in the
No
world.
way.
How much did you put on there?
So much.
Wait, what are you? Feel.
Yeah. So, conclusion on that one?
It was okay.
It's okay, like as like nutrition.
Yeah, but like, I don't think I would ever have it. Like
ever again.
I wouldn't have it as a.
Yeah,
I wouldn't have it as a breakfast.
I might. I would.
I would rather have granola or whatever.
I would.
Yeah. Anyways.
True.
It's time to prepare.
Oh, the cake is ready?
Yeah, it's ready. I need scissors.
Oh, it's been ready. I don't know
Yeah.
if I'm gonna finish it.
Scissors.
Maybe.
Are you gonna finish it or no?
I'll finish it. I just want to do this. Wait, not that.
Oh.
This.
Put them on. Doesn't want her chunk.
Anyways. So, are you still recording?
Mhm.
Okay, so now.
Oh, it's not so
Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. Dang.
I'll pop that food.
Okay. Now it's time to art. Okay, let's just sprinkle it. Ooh, it looks okay.
Oh, wow.
Do you have your fork still?
No.
Let me wash it off.
Ooh, we gotta make it nice and crumbly. That was a lot. It's like filled with crumbly. Let's show you guys before we try it. So that's our masterpiece. Cheesecake. Okay. Okay, anyway.
What?
It doesn't even look like cheesecake, but let's try.
I don't know how it's supposed to be
It's
cheesecake.
not even hard.
Oh, it's gonna be cheesecake
Yeah, I don't
flavored.
think it's supposed to.
Okay, let's try it.
Wait, don't say anything.
That's good. That's real good.
It's like pudding.
That's really good. I like that. I like it a lot.
This is actually easier to make. Like, we could have made this when we were camping. Because
Yeah,
there was
that's
that faucet.
It's like
I don't have a bit for you. Yeah, that's really good.
Alright, so conclusion?
Alright. So I really like the cheesecake.
Yeah, and the eggs were okay.
Yeah, they
And
were.
who makes the cheesecake?
Sissy?
Yeah. I mean,
No, like what company?
Oh. I can open this. Backpacker's Pantry.
And then the other one?
the eggs was Mountain House Adventure Meals. Yeah, the
So-
eggs are okay, but this one's good.
Alright, tell them to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe
For more survival videos.
for more survival videos. And like